from the UK.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Wa alaykum assalam wa rahmatullah.
So, in one of your videos where you talk about anxiety, you said that if you have trust in Allah, you will be like Ibrahim, peace be upon him, when he was thrown in the fire and he came out with any problem. So, could this same miracle happen to any believer who is not a prophet?
This is something we cannot say. And definitely I'm not going to say, give it a shot. Throw yourself in the furnace and have certainty, and Allah Azza wa Jal will protect you as He protected Ibrahim. You do not test Allah Azza wa Jal. But do miracles happen? 100%. Can miracle happen? Definitely they can. But should I trust myself and trust Allah Azza wa Jal to the extent that I think that I'm like Ibrahim and my yaqeen and certainty is top notch? My trust and reliance and dependence on Allah is unequivocal. My iman and the lack of sins and commitment to the religion is off the chart? Of course not. So we don't challenge, we don't test Allah Azza wa Jal. But if we are in a calamity, if we are in a trial, we have full trust in Allah Azza wa Jal. We have content with what Allah has decreed, and we're hopeful and wishful that Allah makes a way out for us. There were 3 men stranded in a cave with a big boulder blocking their way. They could not dig their way out, and there was no way for anyone to save them but Allah. So they all started begging Allah with their good deeds, and Allah Azza wa Jal granted them freedom. They were not messengers, and they were not prophets. So this is possible. How? You have to revise. How many good deeds in my life I've done sincerely for the sake of Allah that can be credited and can be a credit for me in times I'm stuck in a cave with a big boulder blocking my way out? And I pray, Ya Allah, that day when I saw a blind man trying to cross the street, nobody's stopping for him, I parked all the way away, and I came out of my car and I took his hand and I made him cross the street and took him to safety. Nobody knew about this except you. Ya Allah, if you know that I've done this for your sake, wasted 20 minutes of my time, it was raining, it was this, I don't know. If you have the likes of such good deeds that were done for the sake of Allah, then inshallah